Has it finished? Why are you asking me now? What type of question is that one? Yacht, boy. Is the album finished or do we have a few more songs to go? It seems like it's got 1 or 2 more. Oh, we are not done yet. Okay, exactly. Okay. No, I've heard you, Sha. What is all this ruckus? Tell me. Bossa, bossare, bossa, bossare. Shoti mommy wopa, motikoni wopare. Shoti mommy wopa, motikoni wopare. Like, hey, love me mother, send the dollar. That's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me yes, so boomba, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturallymary here, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I have an amazing video for you all today. The last time that you all saw me, I had gotten a silk press and trim. I had got my hair curled and styled, and it looked so gorgeous. My hair was blowing in the wind, y'all. And if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I had such high hopes for this silk press, but I was uncertain as to how long it would last with my new workout routine. I mean, look at how good this looks. I wanted to hold on to this style as long as possible. I now work out about 3 to 4 times a week, and I literally went to work out the day after I got my hair done, and y'all, it was destroyed after that. Does anybody else have that problem? I don't know how girls who are natural that get their hair silk pressed, how they manage with a workout routine. And when I took my wrap down, I was a bit nervous because I had somewhere to be that evening, but then I remembered I had the perfect solution. Now I decided for my style that I did want a middle part, so I'm creating a middle part now, and I am using a wide tooth comb to reduce breakage and also tension on my hair, so I'd highly recommend using one. Now y'all already know, once I apply heat to my hair, I'm not gonna go back and add more heat to style, so that wasn't an option. So I decided to add a V-part. I remembered that I had a V-part that's a kinky straight texture, and y'all, it matches my hair so perfectly. And the V-part wig that I'm going to show you all today is by Nadula Hair. I have a half wig from them that you guys always ask me about. Whenever I'm wearing this style, I'm wearing their kinky curly half wig, and y'all, I love this wig. I've had it for about maybe a year or so, and it's doing so well. I literally grab this almost every single day. So I knew the kinky straight wig would be a great addition to my wig collection, especially after getting a silk press. Now, matching this texture with my hair when it was straight probably wouldn't have been a great idea, which is what I had planned for. But after going to the gym, y'all, do you see the texture match? This unit matches my hair so perfectly. I was so excited about that because I did not know what to do with my hair, but this is going to create such a beautiful look. For those who are unfamiliar with the V-part unit, these particular wigs are very good for those who don't desire to wear leave out, or if they desire to wear leave out, they only have to take out a very little. Now we're going to see how the no leave out plays out with this particular unit in this texture. I've done it in the past with a curly texture and it worked out, but I want you guys to wait till the end to see how that plays out. Now right now I'm going to straighten the hair or just get the crimps out of the hair. I'm not going to actually straighten it because I love the texture, and I'm actually going to use my Revlon blow dryer brush in order to just get the crimps out, and this brush really helped a great deal. It was super fast and effective. I did spray on a heat protectant before applying heat to the hair. This was really just to give the hair added sheen. So I'm just doing that now, and then I'm going to proceed to get my natural hair together in preparation for the wig install. So y'all already know the grays have got to go. I found this new temporary gray concealer. It's called Style Edit Root Concealer, and this is gonna help me conceal these grays. Y'all know I wanna look youthful, and these grays are not helping with that, so we have to cover those up. I am gonna show you guys how I prep my leave out and everything for this wig install, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Yeah, I ain't lying, I might go dumbo. Super sick of what your ears flapping like a Dumbo. Beat that 808 and slapping, I'm the new Mutombo. Are we finished? Are we done? I'm not the one to stun on. I got that, whoa, this the type of track you run on. This that once you hear this, you may never wanna come home. This that tell your shawty, watch it when a song come on. This that cannon about to murder every rapper, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be standing in the street, bringing the heat, banging the beat. I'm confident, I'm gonna be flaming the G-Rap in the middle of the West. I'm wild with it, I'm a grind bag, get the means I gotta be, get it ready for the haters off. And I'm the venom, ripping instrumentals, beware, be cautious. I'm a gunner with a quickness, coming with a vicious juice up, loose up. I'm on a mission, get out the kitchen, y'all don't believe it with us, I'm trying to get ahead of my business.
So now that my leave out is prepped and ready to go, I'm gonna now create create an anchor braid. So right behind the flat twist that I created near the part, which is going to act as my leave out, I'm going to create a braid that the wig is going to clip onto. So I'm not going to actually use the clips on the wig and insert them directly into my scalp. I'm going to clip them into the braid.
I've been watching the time slipping, I'm on a decline. I don't think this is where I belong. Yeah. And I've been trying to climb, keeping the end on my mind, but it feels like it's way too long. I know I need to relax, cause it's all fine. You say you got my back in the hard times, yeah. But sometimes I forget, I need to remind myself it's all in your hands. Even if I'm in the fire, living through the storm, I know that you're fighting and never leave me alone, even when I get tired.
So this is my braid pattern. Everywhere that there are flat twists, that is my leave out, and the braid is going to be an anchor braid. And I did curve the braid around the leave out and extend it along the side. So now it's time to begin installing this Vpart wig. I'm going to start by opening up the clips, and this unit does not require any glue, gel, or lace, which is really awesome. Now for the first method of installing, I am going to do it with leave out. So I'm going to start by positioning the unit where the braid is, and then I'm going to insert the clips into the braid. Do not insert the clips into your scalp. You will create a great deal of tension and it's going to be painful. So I would not recommend that at all. I created this braid so that that can act as an anchor. So that's where we're going to insert those clips, not into our scalp.
I guess I gotta wait right now.
Even when I see the water is rising, you're the light when the sun ain't shining. When there's no silver lining, it's all in your timing. So I guess I gotta wait right now. I gotta wait right now. I guess I gotta wait right now. When it's hard to believe it, I know you make a way somehow, but I guess I gotta wait right now.
Stuck in a rut, fighting just not to give up. Feels like I'm singing the same old song. Got blows I'm trying to duck, keep getting punched in the gut. How much longer can this go on? I know I need to relax, cause it's all fine. Just keep me in the light through the dark times, especially when I forget. Would you please remind me that it's all in your hands? Even if I'm in the fire, living through the storm, I know that you're fighting and never leave me alone. Even when I get tired of calling out and don't ever hear a sound, I guess I gotta wait right now.
Even when I see the water is rising, you're the light when the sun ain't shining. When there's no silver lining, it's all in your timing. So I guess I gotta wait right now. I gotta wait right now. I guess I gotta wait right now. When it's hard to believe it, I know you'll make a way somehow, but I guess I gotta wait right now.
I know there's no need rushing you. When I don't see, I trust in you. You know just what I'm needing, and you got a reason. So it's okay, I just wait right now. Even when I'm uncomfortable, I know nothing's too tough for you. So I can believe that you still keeping me safe right now, even though I gotta wait right now.
Even when I see the water is rising, you're the light when the sun ain't shining. When there's no silver lining, it's all in your timing. So I guess I gotta wait right now. I gotta wait right now. I guess I gotta wait right now. When it's hard to believe it, I know you make a way somehow, but I guess I gotta wait right now.
Y'all, this looks so good, right? It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I was kind of in my feelings because this is my goal length and volume, but I'm still praying that I'll get there. I have faith. Now I'm going to show you guys a few styles that you can do with it like this, and then I'm going to attempt the no leave out method. Oh, and I did find a new edge control. I actually found it on Instagram. I purchased this recently, and I thought it would maybe become my staple, but I wasn't really as much of a fan of it as I thought I would be. I feel like it's so hard to find a good edge control. If you guys have found a really good one, share it down in the comment section. This is what I use in order to slick my edges down. However, I wish I had not done this prior to doing the no leave out, and you'll see why once we get there.
Yeah. Hey yo, I just turned the news on, it's bad again. Why's it always looking so bad, my friend? Why's it always feeling so dark?
Do y'all spy somebody in the background? Look at Gerard sneaking out. He was in there bothering me while I was doing my video. He's so funny.
Dark and low, like the whole world's out of control. Okay, let me explain it. We need action if we want changes, and that could be you if you start rearranging. Just a little love can go a long way, and we gotta stop all the hate now. Cause you know that ain't the way now. Eyes open, we can see we are all so unique. Take a step back and breathe. One pops, all sisters and brothers, all bleeding the same. We all need each other. Hate will never be the answer. Love is gotta do what love does, gotta give what love gives.
Sick and tired of fighting, we've had enough. Cause you know all we need is just a little more love. So take all your walls and knock them down. Bury your hate and stop it now. Walk hand in hand and hope. Cause love could change the globe. Sing it like na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Yeah. See, we are all the same inside. Can we agree we all need love? Gotta learn to put aside these differences. Learn not to judge. Why we do
For this particular style, I did realize that you could see the wig cap on the side, so this style would require more leave out, but you could actually put a headband over that area to cover it, so that's what I did.
fighting over small things, yeah. Why don't we unite on the main things, yeah? Keep the main things, yeah. That's where you gon' see a real change now, yeah. So we can't change the way that we're born, but we could change the way that we're going. Direction got a little off base. It ain't skin, we united by faith. Got one pops, all sisters and brothers, all bleeding the same. We all need each other. Hate will never be the answer. Love is.
Great, now for the no leave out method. Y'all, I ran into some issues. I completely forgot that the area near your part needs to be teased out and it needs to be frizzy. I actually used the edge control near that area in order to slick my hair down for the braided style, and I completely forgot this. So if you're trying to do the no leave out method, do not slick your hair down near the part because it's gonna make it hard for the wig application to look natural in that area. So that's just a really good tip. So you're gonna see how it turned out doing it this way. I tried to tease the area near my part. It didn't quite work out because it had all the edge control on there, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. Oh, and you also need to tease out the area near the part on the wig as well. It needs to be frizzy, untamed. That's when it's perfect. But to be honest, as I stated earlier, this method is just so much better for curlier textures. Kinkier, curlier textures work out so much better, especially for my hair texture in regards to blend. But it can be done. It's just so much more difficult with this type of texture. But I'm gonna show you guys how I did it and how it turned out. You guys be the judge of whether it looks natural or not. But yeah, we're gonna get into that now.
Roll with me, take you for a ride, hey, just come and see. Take a look inside, yeah, it's all you need. This gon' be the vibe, cruising through the sky, yeah, we feeling alright. Take a lead, throw a little smile, jumping in the seat. We gon' be here for a while, yeah, it's all you need. This gon' be the vibe, cruising through the sky when I take you for a ride. Roll with me now, come hang around. Let's play pretend, go have a night on the town. Just lighten up, put on a smile. We live it up, just let me know if you're down, down. Hey, I'm jumping in, I drop the pin, I'm on the way. Might not get there right on time, I'm never late. No. At the party, I just came to show my face. Now it's time to hit the road and get away. Hey, over me, take you for a ride, hey, just come and see. Take a look inside, yeah, it's all you need. This gon' be the vibe, cruising through the sky, yeah, we feeling alright. Take a lead, throw a little smile, jumping in the seat. We gon' be here for a while, yeah, it's all you need. This gon' be the vibe, cruising through the sky when I take you for a ride. Hey, oh, hey, oh. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Yeah, oh, yeah.
Y'all, I tried to tease the roots as much as I possibly could, but it was just not working out. The first side, when I did it, it looked really natural, and I was like, oh my goodness, this could work. But once I actually clipped the second side, it just did not look as seamless as I would have desired. And again, if I had left the roots more frizzy prior to applying the edge control, maybe it would have worked out better. But also something to keep in mind is that those clips, they really do hurt. They're very painful, and I'm not certain as to how to ensure that this particular method with no leave out doesn't create a great deal of tension. So you really do have to be careful when using this method. But overall, I really do love this wig. It looks so natural, especially when using leave out. I love that you don't have to take out much hair at all. This could potentially be a great protective style if installed properly. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for all the links and specifications for this unit. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Cruising through the sky when I take you for a ride.